Hi guys, I'm Eleanor.
Hey, I'm Karina.
And we're both members of NALA, and today we're gonna be testing Thanksgiving TikTok recipes. So we have two that we're gonna try. The first one is this one. We're just gonna put it on the screen.
The second one, we're gonna be following a pumpkin pie recipe, except we're gonna do a couple little modifications. We're gonna make little individual pies because we're gonna have people test them and it's just easier that way.
We're gonna start out with the turkey cupcake things. So we're gonna start out by just making this box cake mix. Just cut that up. Okay, we're putting all of this in and then adding water.
There's 1 1/4 cup of water. Half a cup of vegetable oil. And then
4 eggs.
4 eggs, because the recipe calls for an extra egg. I just do them in a separate bowl so that if there are any shells, I can get them before. This is a lot of eggs.
I know.
For 1 egg.
She said it makes it yummier, so we'll see.
This is why we're testing it. I'm gonna get a whisk because I think it's harder to break up the chunk.
So while she's doing that, I'll just tell you guys. Oh, by the way, we're outside because COVID and stuff. We just want to be safe. But we might go inside soon because it's freezing. The other things that you'll need are. So while you're whisking, I'm gonna explain what else we have. So we have these edible eyeballs that just make the recipe, you know. And then we have candy corn for the feathers. Oh, it smells so good. Okay. These, and sprinkles, but you should probably get better sprinkles than these because I just couldn't find any other ones at Target. And then just some frosting. Oh. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, okay, so that's
it.
Yeah, that's it basically.
See, it's that easy. So we're going to try to have some people test the recipes after, if we can find some people. It might just end up being our parents, honestly. Yeah. Oh, it's spilling.
Also, I'm wondering.
It's just falling
Okay,
apart.
we're just gonna put that there and then move on to the next one.
I just want to get a couple. Okay, we're doing that for 14 minutes.
But we might have to do it for longer. So the pie crust has been in the fridge for an hour and a half. And now we're just gonna roll it out a little bit.
Just get something out of it.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Lisa cameo.
Oh god, no.
Okay. So we're just gonna sprinkle some flour on the work surface just so that the dough doesn't stick. I'm gonna try to roll it out to about 1/4 inch. And then I'm gonna put these in these little tins. We're gonna take some scissors and just
Cut around.
Cut around. Okay, we're gonna set that aside. Put this into here. I guess try not to push down on it too much. And then you wanna just sort of pinch, I think. I've actually never. No, I've done a pie once before. Is that how you do it? Don't even know. I think the problem is that I didn't leave enough excess.
That looks pretty good though. Okay, the cupcakes are ready. So what you'll need for the pie filling is
1 can of pumpkin puree,
1 teaspoon cinnamon,
1 teaspoon nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Yum. And now you just mix.
Okay, so we're back and we've made 5 pie crusts in these mini things, and then we're going to put the filling in. And Karina's just finishing the last one. Oh, also all the cupcakes are out here.
Time for the filling now.
We want to film them like higher than we think because they're gonna like go down, right? That's what you
No. I mean, well, yeah, but the crust shrink. Not the
Oh,
So-
never mind. Cut that out.
I think, yeah, I think this is
Okay,
good.
so here it is. Now we're just gonna do that for the rest of them.
Okay, you're gonna bake up 425 for 15 minutes and then an additional 35 minutes at 350. And then hopefully you get your delicious pumpkin pie as a product. Hopefully we will if all goes according to plan. Pipe like a generous amount onto the cupcake. And then you can just sort of like, if you want to, you can spread out with a knife, which I think I will do with this one because
Oh my
it's a little
god.
messy, but
Like the way that she did it so neat, but like we're not going for that. So now I've dipped the sprinkles and then I'm gonna put the eyes on. So we have edible eyes.
I think Target has them, so
Yeah, I got it from Target. Yeah, that's good. And
there we go.
then this is so messy. Oh, he looks terrible. Okay, we're gonna make a nose by just turning it upside down. You guys can't see this, but I'll show you guys in a second. Perfect. And then, does she go like this or like this? I think it's like this.
Yeah. You
Unless
can.
it
Oh
sticks.
God. Wait, hold on. Let's see.
Aw, they look so cute.
You guys. Oh, should I do more?
Yeah, show it to the camera. No, I think that's good.
So this is what the sort of. This is what it
They're
looks
so
like.
cute.
I mean, yeah, mine looks a little dopey, but they're kind of cute. I'm not gonna lie. So I definitely recommend this. We'll see how the taste testers react.
Wait, do we have any taste testers?
One.
Okay, there's another one. Ah! I think yours is stick in.
You just sort of shove them in.
So we just finished decorating all of them. Here they are. They look pretty cute, like at first glance. Like some of them.
It's a trial and error. This is an error. I mean, like that kind of looks like a sad turkey. But I mean, some of them turned out okay. So stick around for the taste testing. We'll see how they are. But they're really cute if you're looking for a nice, cute thing to do for Thanksgiving.
Just like be careful not to pipe your bags too like thick, because then this happens. But they're still fun, and they're really fun to make too.
Yeah, they are. They're really fun to decorate.
Guys, I know we're biased, but like, it's so good.
Also, the sprinkles add a nice crunch, so I definitely recommend. But we're not the real taste testers, so just stick around.
Should we give them like a rating?
Out of like 1 to 10,
I'm not gonna eat the eye.
10 being like a Georgetown cupcake, I'd put that at like a 5 or 6. Pretty good.
I was gonna say like a 9. But I've never had a Georgetown
Cupcakes
cupcake.
are like so good.
Okay, so the pies are done. They look amazing.
Yeah, I overcooked them just a little bit.
We were starting to edit and we got carried away, so.
So I'm just gonna transfer these to.
It's fire.
Wait, I'm not even joking, this is actually really good. I don't like pumpkin pie, but it's actually good.
It's pretty good. Crust is good. I like pumpkin pie too, so I might be biased, but it's pretty good.
I don't like pumpkin pie, but this is actually really good.
Probably like an 8. It's pretty good.
Maybe like a 7.5. Because I don't usually like pumpkin pie, but this one's pretty good.
I mean, I haven't had any other pumpkin pie in
Okay.
years, but I will give it. I'd probably say like an 8 or 9 too. They're really good. It's so good.
That's really good. I like it.
Very good. Very rich. Excellent.
Mmm. Mmm.
Good?
Very good.
Mmm. It's good. Very moist, yummy.
I would give it probably a 9.
Really?
It was really good.
That's like a 8-9 cupcake.
Well, for presentation, obviously it would get an excellent rating.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, I mean, and the taste is really good.
9.5.
Probably like a 9.